Good morning, miners. How are you all doing today? Hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you are. Good freaking morning. What is up, guys? Hope you all have been hashing well. We are getting back into the swing of things here after taking a good week for a good mental breather and trying to finish things up and get things moving in the new direction. So, today's topic is, of course, is Kaspa no longer the king of FPGAs? Now that there are other things in mind with FPGAs? Or maybe you're around for the best deal of the century. Well, at least this year that I've seen so far. From Nhash on a Bitmain S19. So, let's dig in to the juicy topics. So guys, as you can see, there's been a price drop on Nhash, and of course we do have a referral with Nhash, so please, I would greatly appreciate if you use the referral link that is down below. There will be a link to this down in the description. Alright, any purchases you do, you can use that referral link or just the link from right here. So, the 90 terahash model, even the 95 terahash model, is less than $1,000 now. So the regular Bitmain S19, which is just the basic model, can cost you less than $1,000 right now, brand new, from Nhash, which is it's pretty cheap, in my opinion. I mean, the 90 terahash model is $725, which I think is probably the best bang for the buck, in my personal opinion. Pairing that up with like the low power mode, you could get around like 75 terahashes for like 1700 watts, something like that. And it's like 27 watts per terahash, if I'm not mistaken. So it's really good, a good price point in my opinion if you're trying to get an S19. I know that I'm trying to sell some of my older equipment, some of my older box miners and stuff like that, and I'm probably going to buy one of these right here, especially with the price on them coming down so low. Could be things to watch out for. This also could mean that it's potential that there's a new Bitmain SHA-256 miner potentially coming if all of the newer-ish generation miners are dropping in price so rapidly, almost by the week. Makes me kind of think that we have a potential of a new Bitmain SHA-256 miner coming. So would love to know your thoughts and opinions down in the description below. Maybe you've heard something that I don't know, and drop that knowledge down below and I can give it a look-sees. So pretty freaking cool that you can get one of these for pretty cheap right now. I am really trying to get one of these. I had a good buddy of mine actually gave me an inline fan, an 8-inch inline fan that I can use on something like this, so that way I can knock down the noise. And pairing it up with he gave me a AC Infinity like exhaust fan that I can use on the well house, because the other exhaust fans that I'm using, the array of fans, of PWM fans, are not doing the job as well anymore. I think the fans are degrading, as well as it's just getting a little bit warmer. It's a little bit warmer than it was last year earlier on, and it's been real muggy, so it's just been, the air's been real thick. So I don't know if it has to do with that or the fact that the fans are just not doing so well. On another note, guys, we were talking about FPGAs, and is Kaspa no longer the king? Because there are now, you can now mine Ironfish with Team Red Miner. If some of you do not know, you can actually mine it with all of the FPGAs that have been listed from Team Red Miner before, or now can mine Ironfish. That includes all of the E300s, which we do have coupon codes for all of the E300s down in the description below. Please give those a check out, as well as yeah, we would greatly appreciate you using those codes, and I appreciate anyone that's used those codes so far. They really help out the channel, and I absolutely love every one of you that has used one. So you can get 16 gigahashes on Kaspa, or right now you can actually get 223 gigahashes on Ironfish. That's before the dev fee, of course, which is 10% on Team Red Miner. The E100, you're getting about 74 gigahashes on Ironfish. Now that is for a single VU35P. Alright, now that is a single board, so that tells you that each one of these do 74 gigahashes per board, as well as the E300 VU33P. You get 112 gigahashes on Ironfish before the dev fee, as well as you can still mine Kaspa on them, and soon you'll be able to mine Radiant as well. You can actually mine Radiant on BCUs right now, and it's coming soon. Might show a clip of it. I can't show a lot of it because yeah, FPGA life, but I can show you some things. I'm also going to test out the Ironfish bitstream for the E300 VU35P. Finally having some free time to actually dive into that and check it out, and it looks like by the time I'll actually get to check it out and test it, we'll be doing pretty much a double header. We might be testing out the RxD stream as well, so pretty cool stuff. We'll have anyone that's running an E300 will soon have 3 different options to kind of hash on and accumulate coins. Now we do know Ice River has released, of course they did do a price drop now, so kind of weird, kind of crappy that they did that to people who may have ordered like a week ago and paid $1,600 plus 4K of zero, and now you're gonna pay less than 1,000. Kind of crappy. Apparently they're going to be offering like power supply units with people who pre-ordered and paid more money. I don't know. I don't really care for that too much, but they are released, and people do have these in hand. There's actually quite a few people in the mining space that have created some content over this. Like Greater Good Mining has one, and he's released a video over it. Now, even though that has happened, it seems like there was a drop off. This is probably the drop off of when the Team Red Miner released. That was 2 weeks ago. Alright, and the drop off was that was before that. So there was a little bit of drop in hash rate, but even though the K0s are on, and potentially most FPGAs might be mining something else, whether that's Ironfish or ETC or even RxD, with the K0s, it seems like it's kind of leveled out, just chilling there. Network hash rate and difficulty are just kind of chilling. We shall see what's going to happen coming up here soon. I hope you all have had a fantastic start to your week, and hope you all get some coffee, get hashing, and we'll see you all on the next one. Friday's video should be releasing with the Ironfish testing of the E300. All fingers crossed that the rest of this week goes a-okay with starting working on a regular basis. So much love, guys. Peace out. Stay hashing. Lots of cool things coming up here soon. Grind on. We'll see y'all later. Peace out. Stay savage. And don't forget to sign up for the poker tournament. Right now, guys, you can sign up for the DERO poker tournament. You can actually head on over to the Google Doc that I have linked down below, and you can sign up and learn how to get registered for the poker tournament. There is a list of bounties, as well as Yashnik, myself, Rabbit Mining, Chump Change, Doge Lord Copy, Nemesis, Gundy, Pocket Change, Max Voltage, Hawk, CryptoMykel, as well as Crypto Z, Secret Name Basis, and D Mines. So look at all of this stuff over in the description down below. This will tell you how to sign up right here with your poker club and your club ID name, and make sure that it is linked to something kind of like Discord. That way we can easily identify you, and we can chit chat about if you get some bounties knocked out, as well as the first place prize is 50 DERO plus a DERO hoodie. Second place, you're going to get 30 DERO plus a lifetime secret membership to the super secret Discord. That is like super duper secret. Third place, you're going to get 20 DERO. Fourth place, 15 DERO. And then 5th through 10th place, you will get, or sorry, 5th place, you get 10 DERO plus some DRealm tokens. And then 6th through 10th, you get 5 DERO plus some DRealm tokens as well. And then 11th through 30th, you're going to get 2 DERO for a winning prize. Now remember, each bounty is 3 DERO a piece, so knock out as many as you want. Good luck, happy hashing, and we'll see y'all this Saturday to play. And this will be live streamed on DCA Adventure by all of the FA people that are associated with this. We'll see y'all then, and I'll see y'all Friday. Much love and peace out. Stay hashing. Goodbye.